Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Huobi wallet. So let's get started right away. Start off by open your Huobi application on your mobile devices, or if you want to do it on a web browser, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. Soon after you are inside a web browser, go to the URL box and type in huobi.com, press enter on a keyboard and you'll land in the main homepage of htx.com. Now, from the main homepage, go and click on the login button at the top right hand corner. You can then go ahead and either log in using this QR code, simply open up your HTX application on your mobile device and scan this QR code from the app, or if you want to continue logging in with your email or your phone number option, go ahead and move on to the right hand side and select either email or phone number option. Or you can also log in with choosing your sub-account tab. Since I signed up using my email, let me just select email. Simply go ahead and enter your email address associated with the wallet. On the next field, enter the correct password for your account. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking this forgot password link and reset to a new password. After you are done, click on the login button, complete the puzzle, and on the next page, if prompted, you'll need to enter the email verification code sent to your registered email address. So open up your email inbox. So in order to receive the code, click on click to send, and an email verification code will be sent to you via email. Click open the security verification email from HTX and then copy this verification code, paste it into the email verification code text box, and after you do that, you will be able to log into your Huobi or HTX account. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.